Tom. Hi, Sarah. What are you playing with, Sarah? Hi, Tom. I'm playing with my toy dinosaurs. Look, this one is a T-Rex, Tom. Wow, that's cool. I like dinosaurs too. Can I play with you, Sarah? Sure, let's pretend they're in a jungle. The T-Rex is the king of the jungle, Tom. Awesome. Roar. I'm a big, scary dinosaur too, Sarah. Haha, your dinosaur is funny. What's its name, Tom? I think I'll call him Spike. What's your T-Rex's name, Sarah? I named him Thunder. Thunder and Spike are friends. In Dino Land, Tom. Yay! Friends forever. What else do you like to do, Sarah? Sarah, I like drawing and coloring. Yesterday, I drew a big rainbow. It had so many colors, Tom. Really? I like drawing too. We can draw rainbows together next time, Sarah. That sounds fun. Let's ask our teacher if we can have an art time tomorrow, Tom. Good idea. I also like story time. Do you have a favorite story, Sarah? Yes, I love the one about the friendly dragon who helps all the animals. What about you? Tom, I like the one with the magical forest where animals talk. Maybe Thunder and Spike can live there too, Sarah. That's a great idea. Let's tell our teacher about it. Maybe she can read those stories to the whole class, Tom. Yeah, and everyone will love them, just like we do, Sarah. Friends, dinosaurs, and stories make preschool so much fun, Tom. Definitely. Preschool is the best.